Subscribe to PyProtricks for Python and competitive programming and Bootstrap Station for technical videos. Today we are going to replace num by m from I to j bits. So let us take this example here. Num is this 73. We have to place m from ith position to jth position and the answer should be 85 in this case. So first of all, you have to watch this video on clearing I to j bits. After that, you can proceed with this video. So the num is equal to 73, m is equal to 5, and I is equal to 2, j is equal to 4. So 73's representation is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Let us mark the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the positions of I and j. Okay. We have to place 5. The representation is 1, 0, 1. Okay. Representation of 5. And we have to place it from I is equal to 2 to j is equal to 4. So this is the place where we have to place. And it should be 1, 0, and 1. So as in the first step, we are clearing these bits from I to j, which makes it as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. These bits are cleared, it means changed to 0. Then we are going to place 1, 0, 1 here. This is just an OR operation we are going to do. Okay, so it will make it 1, 0. OR of 1 and 0 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 1. And then these. Okay, this is what we are going to do. All other places will be 0. So the question is, how do we get this representation? This one. This is easy. We just have to left shift m by I number of places. So m is this. If we left shift it by 2 in this case, then 2 zeros will be added on the right side. This is what we got. Let us just quickly code it. Create a function def, replace num by m. We will be passing num, then the value of m, then I, and then j. I want to copy this clear I to j bits code. Now in the answer, I have this representation after clearing these I to j bits. Now what I have to do is shift m by I number of places, then we are going to get this representation and we are just going to do an OR with the number itself, num or m, and just return the number. So let us quickly run it. Print replace num by m, and in the parentheses we are going to pass these numbers 73 comma m is 5, I is equal to 2, and j is equal to 4. Let us see. And here you can see that we just got 93. So here we have to do the OR between the answer. This answer we got right here. Where? It is right here. We got this is the answer, which is right here. Okay. So we must have done answer here. And if we execute now, you can see that we have got 85, the correct answer. So let us consider one more situation here where m is equal to 3 and whose binary representation is 1, 1. But I to j bits are 3, right? As you can see in this case, we have 3 I to j bits and we want to set only 2 bits. For that also this algorithm will work perfectly. Let us quickly do it. As usual, we have to remove these 3 bits. In the first step we did it. So it will look like 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 1. These are the bits we have cleared. So we will shift m by I number of places as we did here. So 1, 1 shifted by I is equal to 2. So it will become 1, 1, 2, 0 on the right side. So we add here 1, 1, 2 0 and all others will be 0. So the answer will be doing an OR operation on these, or we get 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. So this is our answer. Let us calculate it in the IDE. Let us print it right here itself. Print, replace n by m, replacing 73 with 3. This 1 3, right? We want to set it to this value from 2 to 4. All right. So let us run it, and you can see that we got the answer as 77. Find the binary of 77 to confirm. Here you see these both are same, 100 and 1101. This is same, 100 1101, right? Perfect. So it will also work if you have less number of bits in M and the range of I and J is greater than the number of bits in the M, right? So please subscribe to PyProTricks and BoostUp Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.